Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on. Oh, you feeling it yet? Huh? Picking up on all my heartfelt remorse? Oh, come on. Yeah, you wouldn't hurt a one-legged. Oh, you're right. You win. He's down. Oh, and it's ugly. Dragons and Vikings. Enemies again. Locked in combat to the bitter. You know that doesn't wash out.
You're not getting away this time. And here I was, worried we might turn up empty-handed.
Nope, it's your lucky day. We give up. That's one Night Fury, one Deadly Natter, and two of the finest dragon riders west of Luck. That ought to make the boss happy, right? Excuse us.
What are you doing?
What, Toothless? Stay. The dragons don't really care for cramped spaces, so they'll just hang out with you. There won't be any trouble. Unless you do that. You know, wooden boats, big ocean. How is your swimming?
Not good.
Oops, almost forgot. Can't have armed prisoners.
How is this a plan?
Just what every dragon trapper needs. One end coats the blade in monstrous nightmare saliva. The other sprays hideous zippleback gas. All it takes is a spark and... Oh yeah, there you go. Once they see you as one of their own, even the testiest dragons can be trained. Right, bud?
Give me that. What game are you playing?
No game. We just want to meet Drago.
Why?
Because I'm going to change his mind about dragons.
He can be really persuasive.
Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do.
Can I? Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, incredible. He might very well be the last of his kind. Oh, and look, he's your age. Wow. No wonder you get along so well. Oh, yeah. Retractable teeth. How did you manage?
I found him in the woods. He was shot down and wounded.
The Snafflefang lost his leg to one of Drago Bloodbeast's iron traps.
This raincoat had a wing slice by razor netting. And this poor hobblegrunt was blinded by a tree snare and then left to die alone, scared.
And what of this? Did Drago or his trappers do this too?
Oh, yeah. Well, crazy thing is, I'm actually the one who shot him down. Hey, it's okay though. He got me back, right, bud? You couldn't save all of me, could you? You just had to make it even. So, peg leg.
What did your father think of your Night Fury friend?
He didn't take it all that well. But then he changed. They all did. Pretty soon, everyone back home had dragons of their own.
I can teach you all that I've learned these past 20 years. Like... Now you can make those tight turns.
Did you know about this?
Every dragon has its secrets, and I'll show them all to you. We'll unlock every mystery, find every last species together as mother and son. This gift we share, Hiccup, it bonds us.
Well, bud, we can't wait around for Drago to attack this place. We've got to find him first. Mom, you never even